Did you know LinkedIn is a goldmine for generating leads, but only if your profile is polished to shine? Today, we're diving into how you can transform your LinkedIn presence into a lead generating powerhouse. Let's get started. First off, you need to enhance your profile. This means having a professional photo and a banner that speaks volumes about your professional ethos. Your headline, make it sing with your expertise and what you offer. Remember, your summary is your pitch, so make it count. Next up, you need to be posting engaging content. Share your insights, comment on current events, and yes, visuals and videos are your best friends here. Consistency keeps you in the game, so balance quality with regular posting. And don't forget, participating in relevant groups is also key. It's not just about joining, it's about being an active voice. Share, connect, and engage. Optimizing your LinkedIn profile is a surefire way to boost your visibility, establish credibility, and yes, generate those valuable leads. Ready to make your LinkedIn profile a lead magnet? Start today and watch the opportunities roll in. For more tips and tricks, keep watching and don't forget to share this video with your network.